Well, my little corn grinder came today, and I was wanting to get some corn first, but let's just see. I think it's going the right way round, actually. I think. I'm not sure. If you look inside here, if I can show you inside there, let me zoom in a bit. You can see which way the grooves go, right? And it's going that way round. So I think it's the right way. If not, I don't know. Anyway, I found a belt that may or may not turn it round. So I thought, well, let's give it just a quick let's give it a quick run and just see what happens, eh? I haven't quite, of all things, I know I'm an engineer, I haven't quite worked out how it works, because there's a spring in the back. I'll show you a bit later. I've clamped it on there. Thankfully the belt's about the right length, so let's see if it starts or not. I don't know if this, oh, it is back. I don't know if the belt will stop on or not, because I've not really aligned it very well. You know, I've just put it on to try it. Anyway, let's see if this will go. So, it's going round. So, I think what you do, I don't know, it's noisy. I think what you do is put the coin in there and it spits it out and grinds it at the side. But I don't know. You'll have to see, won't it? Anyway, here we go. I've actually got a little corn grinder. No corn, as I say, I can get a small bag of bird seed, something like that, to try it. But it's working amazing. Yeah, been so ill today, thinking of doctors, and I couldn't have known about this, could I? But anyway, it's going round, that's all that matters. Whether it'll work or not, who knows? You know, it doesn't really matter, does it? But it arrived today, as I said, this morning, and it's the first time. Not good. So, anyway, there you go. Right. The lifter is actually driving something, right? I'm going to leave this in here and we will see. I can get a couple of bags of bird food and you can't try it with first. Maybe that's the best thing. Actually, looking at that, yeah, there's some, just looking at that now, looking there again, I'll zoom in so you can see it very closely. Can you see there's some light feet, isn't there? So maybe the corn goes round and it grinds it that way. Who knows? Anyway, it's something to do, isn't it? Right. I'm seeing the lifter actually driving something. How about that? I like that. Now I've run it, I didn't like it when it came, I'll be honest, I wasn't very keen. But now I've run it, I quite like it. Right, that's the end of the non-corn grinding video today. We may have a corn grinding one in a day or two. See how it goes.